What is going on, guys? Today we got a box break of 2009 Topps Sterling. Ordered it from blowoutcards.com. Really pumped to open this, so let's get busting. I'm going to open the mystery pack first, but not see the theme of this box. Alright, mystery pack, hopefully a 1 of 1 or a cut. But no, we got a white suede of Wade Boggs, numbered 48/50. And our box is New York Yankees. That could be really good. 5 premium cards of New York Yankees. This is actually pretty hard to open. Alright. And, oh, that's really nice. Number 7 of 10, Don Mattingly. Got 7 of 10, Don Mattingly, auto, quad, number 7 of 10, like I said. I'm going to do the 3 base first. Johnny Mize to 250, A-Rod to 250, Johnny Damon to 250, and let's see the second hit. Not bad. Jabba Chamberlain, 5-piece to 25 with 2 pinstripes right there. But the very nice hit was the Don Mattingly, numbered 7 of 10. Jersey with pinstripe, bat, jersey with pinstripe, jersey. Auto, and then the Jabba Chamberlain. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay classy.